Good morning mga guys. Kumusta pa kayo mga kapatid? Where? Good morning. Ayan mga sisi. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Nandito tayo sa 3rd floor. It's 11:30 na guys. Kanina pa ako nagising pero hindi ako nag-do something kasi wala naman akong gagawin. So, isipan ko maggawa na lang ako na breakfast at lunch together namin ni Daddy. So, punasan muna natin ang ating eyeglass. Ayan. So, very soon guys, babalik na kami sa Australia. So, itry ko lang na i-vlog siya guys para ma-share ko din sa inyo. Try ko lang na i-vlog siya. So, in that note, babalik na kami ni Daddy sa Australia very soon at saka maiwan namin yung bahay. Pero okay lang kasi okay lang naman guys. Iwanan siya sa mga maiwan dito sa bahay. Nandyan sila ni Toto. So, mga kasamahan niya. So, wala namang problema. Ang gagawin ko is ano pala ako guys. Ano ako dito. Nagdala ako ng tubig at saka yung binili ko noon na chicken oil. Ito guys. Water. Ito, may chicken oil ako nadala from Mascara Chicken. Dito yan siya sa Mascara Chicken na shop. Tapos may dala ako na inasal. May inasal na togi. Yan. Naiwan pa yan pa yesterday. Ito pala may chicken oil ang mga inasal. Tapos may mga rice ako dito. Hindi na tayo magluto ng rice kasi medyo marami tayong rice.
Morning guys.
So, may rice. I-reheat ko lang. You want rice, Dad? One rice.
I'll try one.
We try half and half. Plain and the yellow rice. So we got another 4. And we got this one. The togi. Ay, we just bring the spaghetti. I want to cook.
You cook that one. It's fine.
I know. We can use our 3rd floor again. Ito guys, magagamit na naman ang 3rd floor because we haven't used the 3rd floor for a while. It's been very warm. It's not hot here, but nobody wants to get out of the aircon room, so 3rd floor has to wait until we can come and use it. But today it's good. But you still have to use aircon inside because I don't know what's going on with the concrete wall. Is such a hot place to be. You really have to stop using the aircon like 1 week after the rain for a week, and then the aircon can stop. But if not, it's just hot still. No good. This one, I like this room really. I like this 3rd floor. It's more freshness in here. More good ambience. More. The air is like you can rotate your lungs a little bit better. So, ito na guys. Naka-heat up na tayo ng Java rice and plain rice. Yara.
195.
Continue tayo. Guys, may nagpa-Gcash lang. So, where are we? Okay. Ito tayo ng patty. The spaghetti is in the microwave then.
Yeah.
That is the spaghetti. It's hot.
Woo!
Warm.
Very hot.
There's a towel behind it. Toast. I like here in the third floor because everything you need is here for food. Then you got music. All we need here is a TV at night time because you like to eat watching TV. So we have a problem. We don't have TV, so everybody's in a rush to go down to watch TV. So, ayan guys, 12:24 na. Umakyat ako dito mga just after 11. So, tapos na kami mag-prepare ng breakfast at saka kumain na din kami. Naghugas na din ako ng plato. So, within about an hour, yun ang nagawa namin guys. So, mag-ano lang tayo, mag-ano lang ako, water ako ng plants, although na umulan, pero parang hindi siya guys sapat. So, sige na lang, mag-water na lang ako ng plants. Super init pa siya talaga. So, baba na tayo sa sa aircon para hindi tayo masyado mainitan. But for now, mag-ano muna tayo, water muna tayo ng plants.
Yet it still feels like a heritage home.
He reminds me of the car racing people who does the video.
Oh, yeah.
The one that we used to watch, 5th gear.
Oh, you're talking about...
Who thought that you daddy, he's like that.
Oh, yeah, he does too, yes.
Just the way he does his speaking, very professional. I don't know who he is.
Oh yeah, like this. This is awesome. How was this only built 20 years ago? Check this out. 2 things. Yeah. This is awesome. Best of all is the view of the city from the roof deck, which I'll explore tomorrow. Today, I'm taking a trip to the vegetable gardens.
Oh, cool.
The barangay is considered the coldest place in the Philippines. And there's some surprises along the way. Oh, but I expect that I was saying it. But to get to the coldest place, I've got to leave one of the hottest. What's the difference?
Rina's place.
Hello. Hi. I could be saddlebags. Let's see. I like this setup. Let's see how it works. It doesn't say that. It's hardcore. Like, and I will see you again. Very, very. We will.
We are ready. Ano natin ang susi ni Pink. Ready na tayo. Let's go. Yeah. You can lock it. Ano another one. Ilalagay nito to. Ayan. May glass siya guys. Oh, ganda niya. Yan. Para siya may mga stones. Mga painting collection natin. Oh, diba? Like my nails, sabi ni Daddy. Hey, look. I remind. Sabi oh, init to. Okay na. Oh. May flower na ang wall. No? Kaysa plain na playa color. No?
Fingernails, this one. All them colours there you've had on your fingernails.
Siling ni mo, gusto fingernails mo, ya chura.
Magara.
Oo, linantaw ko ito, dali no.
Except for the... Oh yeah, nearly all of them colours you've had on your fingernails. For sure.
Kulang na lang green, blue, yellow.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.